GoalSeek. GoalSeek is a fantastic tool to calculate what value you need in order to get your desired value. Let's say I know this value needs to be 30,000, but I know the interest rate for these two rows, but I don't know the interest rate for this row. So in order to get this 30,000, which is the sum of all this value, I can use GoalSeek. Or I could manually try to change the value to get to the 30,000, which could be a very cumbersome process. Or I could ask Excel to calculate for me. It's really simple. What you need to do is select your target, then go to the Data tab, then go to the Forecast group, and then select What If Analysis. In here, select GoalSeek. In here, our set value is already selected. We need to now enter a value. As I said, I would like it to be 30,000, and then we should define the value that we want it to change to achieve the 30,000, which is row 6, which is this rate, which I'm not sure what it should be. And once I click OK, it will calculate to me the percentage, which comes out to be 8% to get 30,000, which sounds to me good. Hence, I say OK.